guys, welcome back to my channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to try mural painting. So yes, today we are going to do clay painting using this molded clay on this canvas. So let's get started with this video. So guys, let us see what is inside the box, and inside the box there are two types of packets. I have taken 2 packs of clay and another 2 packs of hardener, and we have to mix these together to prepare our clay. It is already very hard, so I need to apply more effort to mix these together. Now as I have mixed this clay, so I am taking some talcum powder and going to use these tools to create Buddha's portrait. I don't know the exact use of these tools. I am just going to give a try to all these. I don't know how I am going to use these, but I'll try my best to create the best artwork that I have ever painted, because I really want to give my 200% in every artwork. Let me create oval face. I need to paste this oval face like clay on the canvas using Fevicol, which I am applying using the knife. After pasting this, I am supposed to do all the modifications in it to make the face. I am trying to make it smooth by using these tools and by applying some water on it. And I am thinking to apply some clay on it to make nose and lifted forehead, eyes and lips, and I really want this to become smooth face like structure. Guys, it is taking a lot of guts for me to try this kind of artwork, because I am trying to work with clay for the second time in my whole life, and you know what? It is really scary because today I am going to make a portrait mural painting for the first time. I never tried this before and I don't know what the result will look like, but I will really work hard. As you can see, I am applying a lot of water to make it smooth, and I am struggling a lot to give the shape to all the portions, like for eyes, for nose and for lips, especially lips. I am using this spherical tool for making the face look more smoother, and it is working well for this. I don't know the exact purpose of this, but this is serving here well. Don't you think that lips are resembling Donald Trump's lips? I am really thinking same, but I can't make these better than this because this is really new thing for me and I am giving my best. Now as I'm done with it, so now let me make his hairs and ears again by pasting some clay. I again need to paste these using Fevicol on the canvas, and after pasting these, now I have to put some small balls of clay to make snails on his head. So I am doing that. As I'm done with all the clay portions, I have pasted everything. So now I have to provide details to the snails and to the ears, and I have to maintain the smoothness by applying some water. After giving all the details, it's ready guys. Now I am going to use this gesso cum texture paste to create some texture around Buddha's face on the leftover canvas. I am using knife to create beautiful texture around it, and after this we have to leave it for drying for some time. As this is dried, now let's quickly paint it with black acrylic paint. While painting, fill up all the cracks and every portion well, because it is having very highs and lows in it, so we need to fill each and everything very carefully. After painting this, we again need to leave it for some time for drying. Now as it is dried up, so I am going to use this golden glitter paint to paint over it. Initially I tried to paint using this flat brush, but it did not work well for some portions, so I tried to paint with fingers, but then I realized this is also not working, so I thought to use sponge, so I used sponge later to paint over it. I used sponge to provide golden texture around Buddha's face. After applying golden layer, I applied black paint again using sponge on some places to make it more clear and provide some depth to the painting. And look at this amazing royal looking painting, guys. Both the colors are really looking amazing. Ta-da! Our painting is now ready, guys. I hope you like it. If you like, then press the like button and do let me know in the comment section how is it. And you can subscribe this channel to watch more art videos, cause I'll keep bringing such amazing content for you guys. And I'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to watch more art videos. Bye, you are amazing.